This air-cooled cake display fridge is crafted from ultra-clear tempered glass, transparent, sturdy, ideal for cake shops, bakeries and coffee shops, and stays attractive, durable long-term. Boasting a 3-layer adjustable shelf design and air-cooled circulation cooling, no frosting. It maintains a constant temp for cakes, masses desserts, lacking in taste and freshness. The adjustable shelves optimize display space and boost dessert presentation. Fitted with an electronic digital thermostat plus independent refrigeration lighting defogging switches. It offers precise temp control. One-click defogging for clear glass and enhanced dessert visibility. It adds the perfect pick for commercial dessert refrigeration display.